Do you want to change the app language on Instagram in 2026? Many users can't find this option. I will show you the updated method step by step. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. Swipe up to scroll down, and locate the section labeled Your App and Media. Then tap Language and Translations. At the top, you will see Instagram Language. Tap Set Language to proceed. Here, you will see a list of available languages. Now select your preferred language. Instagram will instantly apply the selected language, and the app interface will update to your chosen language without restarting. This lets you use Instagram in your preferred language for a more comfortable and personalized experience. You can switch back to the English language at any time if you wish. So that's how you can change app language on Instagram.